Welcome to another segment of Kale Yes, McKinley's very own cooking channel. And today I'm going to showcase to you guys pasta with a meat sauce and a side of broccoli. This is going to be nutritious, it's going to be balanced, but the best thing yet, it's going to be quick. So let's go ahead and get started. Once your water is boiling, add a half of a tablespoon of salt and drizzle in some olive oil. Add a box of penne or rigatoni pasta. Place a saucepan to medium-high heat and add a pound of ground beef and start breaking that up. While that is browning, chop half of an onion and add that in. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and cook until no pink remains. Because this beef is super lean, I'm gonna add a little olive oil to help it cook down. While that's browning, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. You wanna add the broccoli to the pasta water when it's about 3/4 of the way cooked. Once the ground beef has no more pink, add a jar of your favorite marinara. Sometimes jarred marinara can be a little acidic tasting and tart. A great hack is just to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Turn the heat down to let the marinara warm up and let all those flavors blend together. While that's heating through, let's spoon out our broccoli. I personally like eating my broccoli on the side with some butter and salt, but if you want to have it with marinara on top, you don't even have to strain your broccoli off. Now let's strain the pasta. Add some Parmesan cheese to top. You guys have to try out this recipe. I know you're already making the pasta, but let's make some pasta with a meat sauce and some veggies to balance out your dinners a little bit better. You guys are gonna love it. And it's delicious, it's pasta. Thank you guys so much for sticking around for another episode of Kale Yes. If you're struggling with anything with food, nutrition, please book a one-on-one appointment with a McKinley dietitian. But if you're looking to gain some extra skills in the kitchen, make sure to sign up for a cooking class at Campus Recreation.